Everyone, in this video I am showing you the key forex news events every trader must follow. It is not every news. You have news in every hour, from Monday or from Sunday night to Friday night, all through without break. There's news every hour, but not all of them are important. So there are some key forex news events every trader must follow, and that is what I am going to show you in this video. Forex markets are highly sensitive to global economic news, which can dramatically influence currency prices within seconds or minutes. For traders aiming to succeed in the fast-moving forex market, understanding and following key economic events is essential. This knowledge helps anticipate market volatility, optimize entry and exit strategies, and manage risks effectively. The most important forex news events are: number one, interest rate decisions. Central banks like the Federal Reserve Bank, that is the Fed, European Central Bank (ECB), and the Bank of England (BOE) set benchmark interest rates that influence borrowing costs, inflation, and economic growth. These decisions are among the most impactful on currency values. The effect: a rate hike generally strengthens the currency due to higher returns, attracting investors. A rate cut tends to weaken the currency. Then we have market impact: immediate and often significant volatility affecting all currency pairs involving the affected currency. Another important news event is the non-farm payroll (NFP). The US non-farm payrolls report is released monthly, and it measures employment changes including farm labor, government, and private household jobs. Now, the effect is that it has strong NFP data signals economic growth and typically strengthens the USD. Then the market impact: one of the most volatile and closely watched news events, causing price swings of 50 to 100 pips or more. Inflation reports, CPI and PPI, the Consumer Price Index and Producer Price Index track inflation levels by measuring price changes for consumers and producers respectively. Effect: higher inflation often leads to expectations of interest rate increases, boosting the currency. Then market impact: inflation data can cause sharp moves in forex pairs, influencing expectations of central bank policies. Then we also have the gross domestic product (GDP). Gross domestic product reports show the total value of goods and services produced by a country, offering insight into economic health and growth. The effect is that higher than expected GDP growth usually strengthens the currency by indicating economic strength. The market impact: less volatile than interest rates or employment reports, but still important for long-term trends. Then we have another news that moves the market, which is the trade balance. Trade balance measures the difference between exports and imports. A trade surplus indicates the country exports more than it imports, while a deficit signals the opposite. The surplus often leads to a stronger currency due to higher demand for exports. Deficits can weaken it. Then moderate volatility happens when such news are released, particularly for commodity-linked currencies. Then we also have number 6 on my list, the central bank speeches and statements. Minutes from central bank meetings and speeches by governors offer insight into future monetary policy and economic outlook. The effect is that forward guidance regarding interest rates or economic conditions can cause significant market moves. The market impact is that traders react strongly to unexpected changes in tone or hints of policy shifts. Purchasing Managers Index (PMI). PMI surveys gauge the economic health of the manufacturing and service sectors by surveying purchasing managers. The effect PMI above 50 indicates expansion, and PMI below 50 signals contraction, influencing currency sentiment. Please subscribe to this channel, please like this video, and please share the link of this video now with your family and with your friends. So I'm going to continue with what I'm saying about market impact of PMI. It can prompt short-term volatility and provide early signals for economic trends. Now, how traders use Forex news events. Economic calendar is number one way they use it. Traders use an economic calendar to track scheduled releases and prepare accordingly. Sometimes the time on the economic calendar, the time zone, may not be correct with your own, so you have to look at it and set it properly. You look at it and set it. If you are in Nigeria, for instance, you set it to GMT plus one. If you're in USA, in Canada, you set it to that time zone. If you're in Australia, you set it to Australia time zone. Anywhere you are, you set it to the time zone where you are, so that you don't go and miss the time. Then the trading strategies also is another way that traders use news events. Some trade the volatility generated by news releases, that's news trading, while others avoid trading during major events due to risk. Then risk management is another way traders trade. Setting stop loss orders and adjusting positions are all part of it. Then sentiment analysis, combining news and with technical analysis, helps you confirm trade signals. As a conclusion, Forex traders must keep a close watch on a core set of economic news events to navigate the market effectively. Interest rate decisions, employment numbers, inflation data, and central bank communications are among the most critical for predicting currency movements. Mastering the understanding and timing of these events enables for traders to capitalize on volatility, maximize risk, and improve overall trading performance. You are on to Dr. Olugbemi YouTube channel. If you have gained value from this video, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe, share, and keep coming back for more. I want to say a shout out to Lara Laoye. She has been a great support for my channel and have been buying me coffee for a while. So if you're also there, you can join my membership, and the members get to have their name mentioned like this and many more. So I want to buy me a coffee. Just below this video now, check join, and then from there you can see the options available. Until I come your way in the next one, this video popping up at the side from my channel is the next one you need to see. I'll see you in the next one. More peeps.